everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is MissSharz, in case you are stopping by for the first time. If you've been around, you know that you are most definitely welcome. On today's clip, I'd love to share with you a quick tutorial on how to achieve this big hair don't care, okay? So yeah, this is one of the wigs on my website that I sell. It's made of 100% Remy hair. It's like really acts like your own hair if you have this type of hair, and I just love using this kind of wig once in a while if I just want to have this puffy afro. And it's really gorgeous. It turns heads, I'm telling you. And I thought, why not share with you today? So many people have been asking, like, if I have this kind of hair type, why do I need this kind of wig? But let me tell you, sometimes you know that you're giving your hair a break, but you still want to rock that hair texture. And this is the hair texture that I, for example, have. And I just love rocking because right now, is it still winter? Okay, well, during winter, I can't like wear my hair out like this. During the time when I'm not able to wear my hair out like this, I prefer wearing my wig, you know? Yeah, and so in case you want to know how I get this gorgeous unit in place, then stay tuned and yeah, let me know what you think. So we are going to start off by spraying in some water onto the hair. This hair really requires a lot of moisture for it to look nice. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray in water all over the hair and make sure that the hair is like fully covered in water, but like not too wet. No. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and finger comb. For this kind of hair, please do not use your combs on it because it might shade, you know, so that's why it's better to just finger comb. And as you can see, by using your fingers, it's just really a great way to detangle it. This hair I'm using today is 18 inches long. Yeah, so like I told you, it is like 4C textured, meaning the shrinkage is real. So once I've applied water, you can see how one side looks, you know, the one that hasn't been finger detangled, and the other side that has been finger detangled. And now we are ready. As you can see, this is how I love tying this up because I just want it to stay secure on my head. Usually you don't necessarily need to glue down this kind of unit, you know, but for me, I kind of like applying the gel, the freeze spray, yes, in the on the middle part, just to, you know, have that nice seamless look. Calling all your friends when they come through. So I'm going to go ahead and pin up the hair before I start applying the freeze spray. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to really want. As for the freeze spray, don't worry, this is not glue, this is just gel, meaning it's going to come off just by tapping on some water. So I'm just going to apply this on the middle part of my forehead, about right there. And using a blow dryer, I'm going to dry it up, like not too dry, but let it stay until it's tacky, and then I apply the lace front. So later, once I'm done, you'll see the reason why I don't necessarily glue down, or rather gel down the sides. Yeah, so using my rat tail comb, I just try and put that lace in place.
No, 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 no. Just say
Next, I go ahead and blow dry that part just to make sure that the hair is really intact. Yeah, so as you can see, it's now dry, you know, like completely dry. And I am just trying to show you how like intact this wig looks at this point. Like I don't need to apply any more gel, I just sprayed it once and it was enough. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try and get some baby hairs. Yeah, and baby hairs is like it's not a must. Some people don't like applying baby hairs on their wigs. Some people prefer that, so I'm just going to show you how I like it.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow.
Next, I'm going to use my styling mousse and my brush to lay down those baby hairs. Yeah, so as you can see, this is super simple part. Yeah, no need of explaining, it's self-explanatory.
Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe.
Once everything is done, I go ahead and remove the clips. Yes, and it's time to get this wig into shape, because since I put the clips, the shape kind of got lost. Yeah, so I do this by shaking the hair, and sometimes you really have to shake it, you know, if you want it to even look natural, like your own hair, puffy hair. Yeah, so this is even how I shake it, you know, like shake it, girl. And that's the end result. This is how the wig turned out in the end. As you can see, it looks quite natural. You can't even see like where it's starting from. It looks like it's growing from my own head. Yes, I'm loving it. And as you can notice, the middle part, you know, the parting is really nicely like tainted or highlighted. Yes, this is because I had worn this wig before and I had already applied powder, so I didn't need to repeat that again. Yeah, so you see, this is why I don't need to apply the glue on the sides, because it's just enough to like have it in the middle, just to like for it to hold. Yeah, maintaining it is super easy, by the way. You just need water and moisturizer once in a while and you're good to go. Yeah, so don't be scared to try it out because you feel like it's going to be too much work. Okay. So my dears, that's the end of this clip. I hope you loved it. I hope you're now not going to think twice about trying out a kinky afro wig. Yeah, so in case you are interested in trying out this wig, be sure to check out my web shop, which I'm going to leave a link in the info box below. Yeah, and can't wait to catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye-bye. Bye.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe.